Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a piece of equipment that might not be the most glamorous part of the RC helicopter world, but it's absolutely crucial for owners of specific Spektrum flybarless systems. This is the Spektrum USB interface, model number SPMA3030. It falls under the category of miscellaneous radio accessories, but its function is very specific and very important. This particular USB interface is designed with a singular purpose in mind: to connect your Spektrum AR7200BX or AR7300BX flybarless helicopter receiver to a computer. Now, why would someone need to do that? The primary, and indeed required, reason is for firmware updates. Firmware is essentially the internal software that runs your receiver and controls its functions, especially the sophisticated flybarless capabilities of the AR7200BX and AR7300BX. Like any software, firmware is periodically updated by the manufacturer. These updates can bring a host of benefits. They might introduce new features, improve existing performance characteristics, enhance stability, or fix bugs that were discovered after the initial release. For a high-performance flybarless system like the AR7200BX or AR7300BX, keeping the firmware current is often key to getting the best possible performance and reliability out of your helicopter. The SPMA3030 interface acts as the necessary bridge between the receiver and your computer's USB port. Without this specific interface, there is no way to connect these particular receivers to a computer to perform those vital updates. It's not an optional extra if you plan on ever updating your AR7200BX or AR7300BX. It is a required tool for that task. While the product information provided is quite minimal, focusing solely on its compatibility and purpose, understanding its role highlights its importance. It's a functional piece of hardware that enables the user to maintain their flybarless system, ensuring it's running the latest version of the firmware. This is critical for accessing the newest features or ensuring compatibility with other updated components in your radio system or helicopter setup. Think of it like updating the operating system on your phone or computer. You need a way to connect it to the update source, and for the AR7200BX and AR7300BX, this SPMA3030 interface is that connection. It's a simple device, likely a small adapter or cable with the appropriate connectors for the receiver on one end and a standard USB connector on the other, along with the necessary internal electronics to facilitate communication. For anyone using or planning to use a Spektrum AR7200BX or AR7300BX receiver, acquiring the SPMA3030 USB interface is a necessary step if they ever intend to perform firmware updates. It's an essential accessory that unlocks the ability to keep these advanced flybarless systems current and performing optimally. It's not a piece of gear you'll use every day, but when you need to update your receiver, this interface is indispensable.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.